where our backyard begins and ये हमारा private area है and हमारी जो entrance है वो भी private entrance है and I'm going to take you to our backyard and if you can't hear me properly I'm really sorry, it's kind of raining and we wanted to kind of shoot it today and finish it. So yeah, come on in. So this is our backyard and हमने इतना enjoy नहीं किया हमारे backyard को क्योंकि हम at the end of summers आए थे, तो हम really look forward कर रहे हैं next summers को जब हम actually ये backyard को enjoy कर पाएंगे. So please come in and I'm going to take you to the entrance of our apartment and there you are. This is the entrance to our house and yeah, so welcome to our house. So this is the entrance of the hall and the first thing that I want to show you is the sofa, and the sofa that we got is like a love seat, and then the painting and the small lamp that we have on our side. So this is like a runner we've kept on the side and you know it's just so that somebody अगर यहाँ बैठा है तो अगर उनको अपने cups या mugs कुछ रखने हैं तो इस तरफ है. This is our coffee table which we got from IKEA and the other thing जो मुझे आपके साथ share करनी है is this amazing chair. तो हमें लगा कि हमारा सारा जो हॉल है, लिविंग रूम है, वो थोड़ा सा पेल हो रहा है, you know, with the grays, the whites and the browns. तो हमने सोचा ये जो है ये perfect chair है, it's gonna add that pop of color, the yellow color. So I think, and it's a very nice old chair, so I loved it. And this is my favorite part of my living room. Anyway, okay, moving on. This is our TV we got recently. It's a 50-inch TV and this is a small bobblehead of Harry Potter. So Harry Potter is my favorite. You know, if you've not seen our earlier videos, this house came unfurnished. So हमने ये पूरा setup किया है in the span of 3 months. I think that is the reason हम ये delay कर रहे थे हमारा house tour, because हमें एकदम उसे set up करना था और फिर आपको दिखाना था. So yeah, come on in और आगे चलते हैं. The next area is the kitchen area. हमारा kitchen living room से separated नहीं है, which is something that I love and I like, because I think, you know, when you're in the kitchen, you're working, you can talk to your husband, I can talk to Akshay, so I think that is perfect for us. So this is our छोटा सा dining table that we bought from IKEA. It's a very basic one and हमें, you know, यही ऐसा ही छोटा सा dining table चाहिए था. And this is something that we have done. So these are honeymoon pictures back from a year and a half back, Bali pictures. So we kind of just put it up nicely here. And then going on to our kitchen. So this is our kitchen, this is our island where we work from. These are the storage areas जो आए with the house. Obviously there is storage beneath as well. And ये हमारा stove है, and then it has an attached oven. Unfortunately हमारे पास dishwasher नहीं है, जो normally एक basements में नहीं आता. So हमारे पास dishwasher नहीं है, so we have to do our dishes. And then this is our area where we've set up our spices and everything, and this is our fridge. And right here is like a cabinet that gives us more space to keep things, and this is our microwave and things like that. So general kitchen things, and that's our kitchen. This is our furnace place, which is shut all the time. Then we have a small dresser on this side, which kind of holds our essential things. So मेरी makeup का सामान, मेरा hair products and all of that, Akshay's products are here. And this, as you can see, is our wedding card. So we kind of kept that like a nice touch. And this is my Harry Potter stuff. I am a big fan of Harry Potter. I don't know if you guys missed it, but we had a Harry Potter bauble as well at the start. Getting on to our bathroom. So it's a very small and a compact one. So there's the washing area, there's the bathroom, actual bathroom, and then that's it. Yeah. So this is the bedroom that we use to sleep, and we have a 2-bedroom in this apartment, which is our walk-in basement. So this is the bedroom that we used to sleep in. So yeah, this is our bedroom, this is our bed, and that's the window. Actually I'm not able to show it to you right now, but if you just roll it up, you can actually see the backyard, and a lot of sunlight comes out of it in the morning. And I think that is the reason हमने ये decide किया कि हम ये bedroom बनाएंगे, because यहाँ से बहुत अच्छी sunlight आती है, and that's one of the main points or the highlights of a walkout basement. You get a lot of sunlight. And this is our small dresser with the lamp and our Bose setup here. And ये हमारा closet है, a 3-part closet. So 1, 2, and 3, 3-door closet, and I think it's enough for us. All right. Moving on to the second bedroom. So we're very fortunate actually. We have a second bedroom. हालांकि it's just Akshay and me for now, but हम ये second bedroom use करते हैं as an office setup. Like you guys know, work from home. So हमने इसको actually अपना एक office setup बनाया हुआ है. But whenever somebody comes visiting from home or whatever, we can actually convert it into a bedroom. So okay, before we go there, this is my dream catcher, and it's very special to me because it's been with me and Akshay since the time we've gotten married. So I think it's a nice touch, kind of reminds us of India. Yeah. So this is our second bedroom, and ये हमने set up किया है. Akshay mostly use करता है ये part of the house, which is like a very small office setup with a desk and a comfortable chair. And if you come right here with to me, this is हमने हमारा मंदिर यहाँ setup किया हुआ है, and yeah, भगवान जी यहाँ पे हैं, और नीचे हमारा थोड़ा सा और space है to store things. And this is the second bedroom closet that came with it, and हमने यहाँ पे अपने like जो winter clothes हैं वो रखे हुए हैं. So yeah, and this is the last part of our house, which is our washing area. So this is a common washing area. We share this with the family that stays upstairs, but there's a washer and a dryer, so I think it works for us. And that's it. So this is our house, and we're so happy to welcome you into our house and give you a house tour. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you've liked this video, please do like and share this video. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get more updates from us and our channel. Thank you so much. Bye.